Hello students, welcome to General Knowledge class. How are you all? I hope you would be fit and fine. Students, you have completed chapter 3 in General Knowledge book. So today we are going to start with chapter 4, that is in good taste. So let's start with the class.
Chapter 4 in good taste. First of all, before starting the exercise, we are going to see some national dishes from around the world. Bangladesh, it is famous for fish and rice, in which fish is marinated and steamed in a banana leaf and accompanied with the rice. Next is Israel, and it is famous for falafel, and it is a deep fried balls patties of mashed chickpea, and it is served with tahina or vegetable salad. Next is France. Now, crepe is the dish famous in France. Now, it is a pancake of a wheat flour, and it has a filling of chocolate sauce, jellies, or whipped cream, and it may also have the filling of cheese and mushrooms. And next is pizza, which is a dish of Italy. And we all know what is pizza. It is a flat, round bread topped with tomato sauce, cheese, and various meat, vegetables, seafoods as a topping, and then baked in an oven. So these are few of the national dishes around the world, and it's quite looks so sumptuous and yummy. Now let's have a look to the famous dishes of India. Though there are a lot of famous dishes of India, we are going to have a few of them. Tamil Nadu, it has Sapadu of Tamil Nadu. Next is Kadi Pakoda from Haryana. And Thepla is a dish of Gujarat. Next, Chado with rice from Meghalaya. And Goan fish curry from Goa. Litti Chokha, which is famous from Bihar. Lucknowi chicken biryani is from Uttar Pradesh. And next is Bisibel Bhat from Karnataka. These are few of the famous dishes of India. Now we have had a very good journey of the dishes of the world around and from India. Now let's start with the exercise part. Chapter 4, it's in good taste. Part A. We have to tick the correct answer option. First is, what is the Spanish dish paella made of? It is made up of rice. That means it is a traditional dish of Valencia region which consists of ground grained rice with some green beans. Next, which animal's meat is called venison? That is deer. Third, which ingredient do bakers use to make bread rise? It is yeast. Yeast is the heart or the main ingredient for making bread. Fourth, which bird is a common dish in France? It is duck. Fifth, sponge, marble, and bun are types of which food item? That is cake. Sponge cake, it is soft like a sponge. Marble cake, the ingredients, the two colors are added to give a marble look. And bun cake is like a donut. Sixth one, which bread is used in Middle Eastern cuisine? It is pita bread, and it is almost like a Indian chapati. Part B. Now this is a match the following food items to the nutrient it provides. First is orange, and it is good source of vitamin C. Second, carrot. It is a good source of vitamin A. Third, peanut, which has a lot of vitamin E in it. Fish, it has a good source of vitamin B. And green leafy vegetable, it has a lot of vitamin K, which all these food items keep our body fit and healthy. Now let's see, there is a point, let's think. Eating an apple is healthier than drinking a glass of apple juice. Why? Because an apple reduces cholesterol, but apple juice doesn't. In fact, many of times apple juice contains more cholesterol, which is not good for the body. Apple contains more fiber, which helps in digestion, and apple juice does not contain any fiber. So we should always eat an apple rather than drink apple juice. Part C, identify the cuisine to which these dishes belong. So first one, it is pasta and it belongs to Italian cuisine and is a staple food ingredient of Italy. Second, sushi, it belongs to the Japanese cuisine and it is a vinegared rice, added seafood, raw vegetables and etc. Third, chow mein, it is a Chinese cuisine dish and it is a rice noodles which is stir fried with soya sauce. Fourth, biryani, it is a Mughlai cuisine dish and it is believed that biryani was originated from Persia and was brought to India by Mughals. Fifth, nachos and salsa, it is a Mexican cuisine dish. Nachos, it consists of chips with melted cheese. And salsa, it is a kind of sauce specially made up of tomatoes, onions, and peppers. Now, moving to part D. Now, here, identify the desserts from their pictures and their place of origin. So, first one, it is written Spain, and this dish is churros. Churros is a fried dough pastry and which is eaten as a snack in Spain and Mexico. Next, second one, it is from Turkey, that is baklava. And baklava is a sweet dessert pastry filled with nuts and sweetened with syrup or honey. Third, this dish is from Belgium and as it looks that some wafers is there, so it is a waffle. And waffle is made by leavened batter or dough and it is kept between two plates to give different shapes and size. Fourth, this dish is from France and it looks so colorful. So it is a macaroon and macaroon is a small cake or cookie made from nuts. So these were the sweet dishes from different part of the world. Now moving to the train your brain. Now these are some of the phrases. We have to match them with the meaning. So first is as cool as cucumber. The meaning is to be calm. Now for example, my friend is as cool as a cucumber even when he speaks in front of hundreds of people. This is a sentence for this phrase. That means when we speak in front of 100 people, we get nervous. But you should remain as cool as cucumber. That means you should be calm. Next, eat like a horse. That means to eat a lot. Pooja is very thin, but she eats like a horse. Yes, she looks thin, but she eats a lot. Third, have a sweet tooth. To enjoy sweet food. The sentence is, my brother has a sweet tooth that he tries to satisfy through cookies, ice cream, and lots of chocolates. That means the one who enjoys to eat sweet foods, then that person may call as a sweet tooth. So my brother has a sweet tooth. Fourth, a piece of cake, something very easy to do. Rohit found the project to be a piece of cake because it was incredibly easy. So we have seen that in the fourth sentence, Rohit found that project very easy to do. So that's why it is mentioned piece of cake because it was incredibly easy. So these were the meaning and sentences of the phrases given. Now let's move to part E. That is, here we have to read the clues and we have to name the Indian states as well as we have to fill the word grid which is on the right hand side. So the first one is Tabak Mas is a dish made from lamb ribs and it is popular in Kashmir. So you have to circle this Kashmir in the word grid and you will write Kashmir in the blank. Second is sarson da saag, is made from mustard leaves and is popular in Punjab. Punjab is encircled in the word grid and Punjab is written in the fill in the blanks as well. Third, avial is a curry made with vegetables, curd and coconut. It is eaten in Kerala. So Kerala is again encircled in the word grid and we have to write Kerala in the blank as well. Fourth, tung tap is a dry fish paste or chutney from Meghalaya. You will write Meghalaya in the fill in the blanks and you will circle Meghalaya in the word grid as well. Fifth, dabeli is a snack made with boiled potatoes, spices and tamarind paste. It is popular in Gujarat. You will write Gujarat in the blank and encircle Gujarat in the word grid. And it is also famous, dabeli is also famous in Maharashtra and Rajasthan as well. Sixth, Thekwa is a sweet snack made from wheat flour and jaggery. It is popular in Bihar. You will write Bihar in the fill in the blanks and encircle Bihar in the word grid. So we have completed all the clues and we have completed the Indian states in the word grid as well. Now students, as a homework, you have to complete chapter 4 in your general knowledge book.
Students, we have completed chapter 4 today. So you are going to complete it in your general knowledge book. Take care. Bye students.